It's important to include certain information inside your finished assembly. At the minimum, you need to include a version number of your application and some information about your company. You can embed this information inside your code, and you can also instruct the build engine to modify the exe properties. I'm inside Visual Studio, and I'm going to create a new project. I'll choose File, New, Project, and then I'm going to pick C# Console Application. I'll put this out in the correct movie folder, and then I'll click OK. To add assembly information, all I need to do is go to this property window, double click on this node right here, and then in C# Projects, I click on the Assembly Information button. It's the same in Visual Basic. The button's just located in a slightly different location. It's down near the bottom of the page. Here I pick the name of my application, a description, our company name, our product name, which I think is going to be the same as my super file title, but maybe I might call this one V2. And then down here, we'll say copyright Linda. And then over here, we'll change our assembly version. I can also change the file version as well. There's some other items added down here. I'm going to leave those at the default, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now to choose the name of my output exe, I need to come up to this section and type in a new name. So here I don't want to call this console application. I want to call this one super file saver or something like that. Now I'm ready to build my application, and we'll go see if that information is now embedded in my file. I'll right click here, choose to open the folder in Windows Explorer, find my executable, which is hiding here in my debug folder. There it is. So it's got the correct file name. And when I hover over it, I see that it says lynda.com and it's version 2.0. If I want to see more information, I can right click, choose Properties, Details. And here I can see all of that embedded information, including the file version is also in there. And that's about all I have. So I need to close this. Now that you've embedded your information in the assembly, it's time to think about deploying the executable to the user's computer. That's the electrifying topic for the next movie.